Hey guys, today I'm here with a different kind of video. I decided to make my own tag. I would love for you guys to actually tag yourself and make your own video. I'm not going to tag any specific people, but if you want to do it, definitely do it. I want to see all your videos, and if you want to just answer the questions in the comments, that would be great too. So this is the Taylor Swift favorites tag. It has 8 questions. It's a pretty quick, easy one. So let's get started. So the first question is favorite song, and I have 2 answers for this. The first one is just all over composition, lyrics, everything is All Too Well. I think that is an absolutely beautiful song. The lyrics are so heartfelt. I love how long it is, and you never feel like, okay, can it be over now? It feels like you wish it never ended. Such a good song. And then my second favorite is Long Live, just because it makes me feel so proud of her whenever I hear it. I'm like, she did that! Yes, Taylor! Like, you're so proud of her because of how far she's come. I love that she sang it during the Reputation Stadium tour. I love that she sang it again. The next question is favorite album, and it is Red. I don't know if she will ever top Red. That was just, it was so different and so distinctive, and it was just so perfect. I don't think anything will be better than Red ever, especially the Red Deluxe Edition. 22 songs. Oh my god, it's so good, so beautiful, and it came out at the perfect time for me. I had just moved, and I was having a really hard time with it. I missed all my friends, I missed my life, and it came out at the perfect time. I could have something to focus on. That's really when I got more into the fandom. I made an Instagram for it, and I interacted with more people and talked to people about Taylor more. Before then, it was like I loved her, but I didn't talk about her. But during Red, I got to interact with people and talk more about the album. It has a special place in my heart. The next question is favorite merch you bought, and for this, it is the snake pocket tee, and then on the back it has the full snake. It is a big t-shirt. This is a medium, and it's huge, and I love it. I love wearing this with leggings because it covers the butt completely. It's just such a chill, carefree, easy outfit. You can just throw it on and go, but you still look really cute. And I like that it doesn't have Taylor's face on it. I'm an adult, so sometimes wearing someone else's face on your shirt seems a little juvenile, and sometimes I don't want to be Taylor fan. I want to just have a Taylor Swift shirt on that I love and feel comfortable in and can wear anywhere, and don't feel like someone's going to stop me and be like, I don't like Taylor Swift. Don't say that to someone wearing a Taylor Swift shirt. Keep your comments to yourself. We don't want to hear it. Why do you? But they do. Next is favorite concert of hers, whether you attended or not. Even if you've never seen her in concert, there could be one specific concert where you're like, if I could see her during that, that would be amazing. And for me, I saw her during Red, 1989, and Reputation, and my favorite album has been Reputation. You feel like it's such a big production. It doesn't feel like you're just watching someone sing a song on stage. You really like get immersed with it. It's like the whole place is just beautiful. Everyone has their little bracelets and everything, and they light up, and you can see everybody, and it really shows how many people are there, and it's beautiful. She did that for 1989 also, but I think it worked a lot better during Reputation, and the fireworks and everything. It was just a big production, and it felt like your money was actually going somewhere. And sometimes when you go to a concert, you're like, why did I pay all this money for this person to just sit there and sing a song that I could have heard anywhere? But you feel like you really get your money's worth out of a Taylor Swift concert, and it's just an amazing experience. So for me, my favorite is Reputation. For one that I didn't see, I would have loved to see Speak Now. It was just so beautiful. Her with the purple dress and her hair up in a ponytail, singing next to the tree, her little surprise songs. I would have loved to see that. It looked like so much fun. A lot of production went into that tour. So it would have been amazing to see her during Speak Now, but I am so grateful I got to see her every time since Red. Favorite lyric is the next question, and mine is, "Love is a ruthless game unless you play it good and right." And that's from State of Grace, which is the first song off the Red album. So it's the first song you hear when you put the CD in, and it's just so good, and I love that lyric. It's so beautiful and so well spoken. Next is favorite red carpet look. And for this, I'm going 2012 Grammys. That's where she's wearing this big beaded gold dress and her hair's up. I think she's so pretty with her hair up, and she just looked so good. She was still getting her Grammys from Speak Now, so it's weird because she's kind of in between eras at this point. Next question is favorite magazine cover, also magazine spread basically. And I'm going Glamour, March 2014. I think she's so cute on this cover. And the inside, this is the inside, like all the way at the end, so you have to go through all this magazine to get to what you actually want to read. It says, Taylor Swift has no regrets. And this picture's so pretty. And then look at this one. Oh my god. I want my wall painted just this picture. And then look at this one. Oh, so pretty. That gives me real like Speak Now vibes. So pretty. And I think that's the last picture here. Yeah, this is the last picture. So pretty. I think this is such a beautiful spread, and she's just so cute, and I love her little expression on the cover. So pretty. I'm a big fan of this. I actually found out that I have 2 of these. I don't know where the second one came from, but I have 2 of them. The final question is favorite song performance. This could be from an award show or from a tour. It's completely up to you. I'm going 2014 Grammys, All Too Well. When she did this, it really felt like it was for the fans. We really loved that song, and it seemed like she knew that, and she really wanted to put on a performance for the fans. And so she sang All Too Well, and it was such a special thing. Of course, her new stuff and the way she performs I Did Something Bad was beautiful and amazing, and like, yes, that's my girl right there. But for me, All Too Well will be my favorite probably forever. Just her head banging and her playing the guitar. It was just so beautiful and really felt special. So that is my Taylor Swift favorites tag. If you want to go ahead and tag yourself, go ahead and do it. I would love that. Let me know that you posted your own or put yours in the comments. If you have any other questions you wanted to add to it, go ahead and add to it. That would be great. I kind of cut off a couple more. I was going to do like Polaroids from 1989, song off each album and all that, but I figured this is going to be enough. It's a nice short little favorites tag. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.